Hi, this is Praveen. Now let us discuss about the deserts in India. Actually, let us begin discussing about what is a desert. A desert is an area which has a little precipitation or a little rainfall. And in India, in the places where I have marked in yellow color, they experience a little rainfall. So they are deserts. So now let us discuss how the deserts will be formed. There were two things which we need to know when we were going to know about formation of deserts. The first one is if the deserts are situated at the mountain ranges such as here and here, these deserts, we have few rain shadows. Rain shadows should be appeared in these regions. So first, what is a rain shadow? A rain shadow is nothing but, let us consider my hand as a mountain hill. So when the rains they come in this way, when the rains and clouds both come at the same time, and when the rain hits this region, the portion of this side would experience rainfall, and if the clouds that cross this side, they would experience a very little rainfall because they had rained most of the rainfall in this side, and this side is called as a windward side and the opposite side is called as the leeward side. So the deserts were formed due to the rain shadows of mountain ranges. So in this region we find a desert called Thar Desert. It was formed due to the rain shadow of this mountain range, which is called as the Aravallis. We have discussed about Aravallis in one of my previous classes. And this is Ladakh range, Ladakh desert. Here we have the Karakorams towards the north, and in this region we have one of the mountain ranges, that is Jaskar. And after that, so this is the one thing. And the second one is, if the mountain ranges are situated at the coastal regions, the deserts will be formed due to the ocean currents, due to the effect or the impact of the ocean currents. So this is how these deserts should be formed. And so now let us go to the deserts in India. Firstly, let us look how many deserts are there in India. Do you know how many deserts are there in India? Most of us probably think that there is only one desert, but truly speaking, there were three deserts in India. They are, first one is Ladakh Desert. Ladakh Desert. Ladakh Desert is situated here. And next we have the Thar Desert. And finally, we will move on to the final one, that is Rann of Kutch. So it is Rann of Kutch. First, let us discuss about the Ladakh Desert. Ladakh Desert is a cold desert because in these regions we have mountain ranges which have very low temperature, and here in this region we find Himalayas with low temperature, which in turn turn this into a Ladakh cold desert. And in this region it is situated from the Karakoram ranges, and they extend until Jaskar range. Karakoram ranges to Jaskar range, and in Karakoram range they start from the Siachen glacier, which is this one. Siachen glacier is the highest battlefield in the world. Siachen glacier is the highest battlefield in the world, that was between India and Pak occupied Kashmir, this region. And here we find a major river that drains this region. It is nothing but the river Indus. So this whole river is Indus. It drains this region between two mountain ranges. They are Ladakh and Jaskar. Between these two regions we find the Indus river that is going. And coolest place in India is Dras, that is situated here. So the coolest temperature ever recorded in India is at Dras, that is minus 45 degrees Celsius, and it is situated at the Jaskar range. And Dras is situated in the Kargil district of the Ladakh Union Territory. And now let us look at the boundaries. Which countries border this region of Ladakh? Here we have the region of Aksai Chin. This Aksai Chin belongs to China. The China is administrating the region of Aksai Chin, which is this one. Aksai Chin. And after that, here we have the Ladakh, a small portion of Ladakh, and in this region we find Pak occupied Kashmir. So it is about the Ladakh Desert. Next, let us come to the Thar Desert. Thar Desert is the largest desert in India, and as we have seen earlier, it was formed due to the rain shadow of Aravallis. And it is a hot desert or a subtropical desert because it is situated between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle. And here we find few water bodies that drain this region. Now let us see them. First one is River Luni. Luni River. This Luni River originates at the Pushkar Valley of the Aravalli range, and it drains the region in this way. And after that, we also find the Indira Gandhi Canal, which is this one. In this Indira Gandhi Canal, it starts at the Harike Dam, which is made on the Satluj River. So this is the Satluj River, and it goes until here. So it stops at here, and its length is 959 kilometers. So it is 959 kilometers. So now let us go into this Thar Desert. So this Thar Desert is the most densely populated desert in the world, and also in this Thar Desert we find the highest temperature ever recorded in India. That is this one. It is Jaisalmer, which is 56 degrees Celsius. And in this Thar Desert, we find it is situated in 4 states of India and 2 provinces of Pakistan. Now let us look at them. So here we have the small portion of Thar Desert in Punjab, here in Haryana, in Rajasthan, and here in this portion, in a small portion we have in Gujarat. And when we come to the provinces of Pakistan, we have the Sindh province here and the Punjab province here. And also in this Thar Desert, it is a part of the physical division, which is the Rajasthan plains, which is a part of the northern plains. So these Rajasthan plains can be further divided into two, as the Madhustalai. So Madhustalai and Bagar. So this Madhustalai, the Thar Desert region, is nothing but the Madhustalai. Madhustalai is an arid region which has a hot temperature. Its length is 650 kilometers from here until here. So this length is 650 kilometers, and in this Madhustalai we find the elevation changes from place to place. At this region we find its elevation 150 meters, and here we find it as 350 meters. And this Bagar is a semi-arid area which is situated behind this region of Aravallis. And after that, now let us look at the sand dunes. What are these sand dunes? Sand dunes are like the mountains that were formed by sand in the region of the deserts. So in this region we find the sand dunes. So in these sand dunes we find the longitudinal sand dunes that were situated in Thar Desert. So next let's go to the Rann of Kutch, which is this one. Truly speaking, this Rann of Kutch is actually not a desert. It is a white salt marsh. So it is a marshland. Now what is a marshland? A marshland is nothing but a coastal grassland which is flooded by the sea waves regularly. So in this region we find more salt. That is the reason why we call it as a white salt marsh. And it is situated in Gujarat, and it is sometimes we consider Rann of Kutch as a part of this Thar Desert. And the popular festival which was celebrated in this Rann of Kutch is the Rann Utsav festival, which is popular in this region, and it is also sometimes considered as a part of the coastal plains. So see here we have the Indian desert, the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert here, and few times we consider Rann of Kutch into here. And here we have the coastal plains of India. And in this region, above this Rann of Kutch, we find the Indus Plains. So in this Rann of Kutch, it is situated in Kutch Peninsula, as we have seen earlier. And here we have the Kutch Hills. So these are the Kutch Hills. These Kutch Hills also in few areas act as a rain shadow. And next, we find two regions in this Rann of Kutch. One is Kutch. Kutch is itself a district, and it is the largest district in India, And the second largest district is Leh, which is situated in this region. Leh and the Kutch are the largest districts. Next, here we have the Little Ran. So these are the regions of Ran of Kutch. And in this region we find a little precipitation, and the Luni river, which originates at the Pushkar valley, it disappears here. And such kind of disappearance of rivers is called as the karst topography, which we will discuss in geomorphology. And this is situated only in Gujarat. So it is about the Ran of Kutch. So it is about the deserts. So after deserts, we were left out with only one topic, that is islands of India. We will discuss in my upcoming class. So this is about the deserts of India. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.